Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, check if you have not subscribed. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, yes, last week we did analysis on GBPUSD, and we talked about kind of having like a little bit of a bullish move on GBPUSD. Take a look at this moment. Price actually opened and closed bullish for the week, right? This is what we've gotten. Now we would want to know where this price will be moving for this week, which is January, first week of January. In order to be able to predict such movements, right, we would have to analyze this from the higher time frame downward to the lower time frame and be able to understand this food trend itself. Now let's zoom it out. First of all, you would want to know the movement of your GBP USD. Now, you all know that markets make three moves. It's either an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a range markets move. That is the three type of movements markets do give us. So what we clearly can see on the monthly time frame, on the full trend itself, on the monthly time frame on GBPUSD is like a range markets move. So we saw price drop to this level, then price found a rejection and it gave us that bullish move to this level. Then price found a rejection at that level and came again down to this level and reach this level that is down. We will take it as the support level, and we saw a rejection went up to our resistance level, and again price kind of came to this support level. Guess what? It broke below it. So we can see this as like a false breakout, right? We would take it as a false breakout. So what do you expect GBPUSD to move next? Of course, we expect it to actually continue to go bullish. So to take out this resistance level, which will be more visible, which we'll be able to get by next year, which is 2023. Let's say in 7 months time, right? I believe in 7 months time we should be able to take out this huge candlestick with this resistance level. So those of you that are a position trader, if you want to go long, you want to be able to grab in your your profit in 3, 6 to 7 months, I think it will be the this is the best opportunity to actually go ahead. So if you have to take it from up to this level here, that would be wow, that is crazy. That is about 2,000 pips you'll be grabbing. So that is at least enough pips, right? So we can now see this movement here. We can see that previously this price was giving us a lower lows and a lower highs. You can see during this time, right, USD or USD index or the XY itself was kind of going bullish. So every other peers against the USD was kind of bearish. So we saw a bearish move on our GBP USD. And you all know what happened to this huge candlestick week here is it was when the GBP got to its lowest point. But since then, price has corrected. You can see the month of October, we opened and closed bullish. Also, same thing with the month of November, we opened and closed bullish. So if you take a look at the month of December, price give us a bullish move. It actually gave us a bullish move above, or it's still open and closed bullish, but a little bit. You'll be seeing a huge candlestick wick sticking out. This is just like a pullback, right? So the continuous bullish move will be made, will continue, which you would be able to see very well on the daily time frame. So this is just a pullback. This is one of the reasons why candlestick wick is sticking out. Above all, price is still bullish, right? And you can see previously it was trading below the 10 period moving average. Now we all know that once the price is below the 10 period moving average, then definitely it is a sell. But once it is above it, it is a buy. So this price has actually broken above this 10 period moving average, right? We are just kind of like on a pullback, right? So by this week that I want to predict for, we will continue the bullish move. So above all, GBP USD, we would want to continue our bullish move. So the month, by the time December, January end, and by the time the month of January end, we would have gone bullish. So in the month of January, we should be expecting for that bullish move upward. So now let's take a look at this weekly time frame. So you can see on the weekly time frame, price is trading above the 10 period moving average. You all know once price is above the moving average, then definitely that is a sell move. That is a buy movement. Sorry. So if we want to go long, so GBP USD is kind of like a bullish move. So take a look at this to be an ice. We will now take this to be a pullback, right? And here will be seen as it will be seen as an ice. This will be considered to be a pullback. You see this as an ice, and guess what? A pullback here. After this pullback, what do we expect? We expect a further bullish move. So this week that just finished, we can see that it actually gave us a bullish move. So this week that we are predicting for, we should continue the bullish move. So we would want to see price, continue to give us that bullish move. Before the month of January end, we should have made a new highs. Thereby, this ice will be taken out. So a new ice should have formed. So this previous ice will be taken out and a new ice will show. Now take a look at this pullback that was made. We saw this pullback that came to our 10 period moving average. It did not hit it though, but it was super close to it, though it actually was close to it. And now we have continued that bullish move. So that is what it is, on GBPUSD. So like I said, it is just a confirmation that this GBPUSD is bullish. So this week that I are predicting for, we expect price to actually open and close bullish. Let's see if we can make about 200 pips this week on GBPUSD. Now let's take a look at this daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame, right? Like this is the trend. Right? See what is the trend for this simple thing, uptrend move, higher highs and higher lows is what's playing out here. So let's start this moment from here as an impulse move. You now take a look at this to be a pullback. You now see this to be an new highs. Then this will be taken to be a pullback. You will see this as a new highs. Then we would now take a look at this to be a pullback, right? After this pullback, what do we expect? A further high. So you can see on Wednesday, we kind of had a bullish move. Thursday, we had a bullish move. Even Friday, we had a bullish move. I believe Monday, Tuesday, we should also have a bullish move. So above all, we would continue, the bullish move. So if in case you want to go ahead, if you have not taken your buy movement and you are yet to, take a buy movement, you are yet to go long, what I would advise you is just wait for the price to actually break up, start trading above the 10 period moving average on the daily time frame. So you can see it is still trading below this moving average, though it has once broken out of it. But I'll say be patient enough for this price to break above this 10 period moving average. Once it does break above the 10 period moving average and it is trading above this moving average, then you can go ahead and place your buy. That is if you would want, and if you want to trade it your way, then no problem. Now that should now take us to the 4-hour time frame. So we can see on this 4-hour time frame, price is kind of ranging within this level. So I've done daily analysis on this and I told you guys, you can see price is coming on the 4-hour time frame ranging. You see how this price came to this support level, then it went up to our resistance level, right? Then price dropped to our support level. Then again, a bullish move was made to our resistance level, and now we got a price to our support level. Now this price has given us a bullish move to the resistance level. There's every possibility it will drop. You can even see it is even dropping. So we would want to see it drop down again to our support level, right? Once it drops to our support level, we would want to see it go to the bullish in resistance level until eventually price breaks out of this resistance level. Until price breaks out of it, then you can now wait for a pullback before we continue the uptrend move that we are all predicting on GBP USD for the week.